Lafarge Paving is the only choice for today's design-conscious specifier, where looks and durability have equal importance. Lafarge Paving combines the aesthetic of natural materials with the durability of a high-strength concrete slab. Lafarge Paving is virtually maintenance-free. It will not sink or heave, is weed and moss-free, oil and stain-resistant, and can be designed and shaped to fit any project without the constraints of curbing. The first part of the process is to remove the existing driveway to a minimum depth of 200 millimeters. We then set the shuttering to form the shape of the new driveway, and 100 millimeters of Ministry of Transport Type 1 sub-hardcore is placed within the shuttering. The fall of the driveway is then checked and drainage channels are installed where required. The slab hardcore is then fully compacted to give a really solid foundation for your new driveway. The specialist tools and equipment needed for the process are checked and laid out ready for the concrete to arrive. Then, specially formulated concrete mix is placed in the framework at a minimum of 100 millimeters and leveled to the falls. The surface is smoothed using specialist magnesium hand tools, and then any coarse aggregate close to the surface is depressed using a roller tamp to ensure that they do not interfere with the imprinting process. Large coloured surface hardener is applied to the surface of the concrete at the rate of 3 kilograms per square metre. The product not only colours the concrete, it also reinforces the surface, increasing the wearing properties of the concrete by up to 300%. Lafarge release agent is then applied to the surface of the coloured concrete. This powder serves three purposes. Primarily, it is made to work as a board breaker between the concrete and the imprinting tools, allowing them to detach from the concrete surface. Secondly, the specifying contrasting coloured release agents and surface hardeners give an antiquing effect to the finished paving, which gives an appearance of natural materials. And thirdly, the powder acts as a curing agent, which helps the concrete to achieve maximum strength. The edge detail is imprinted into the concrete surface. On this example, a used brick soldier course has been chosen. Great care is taken over the detail work to ensure that the finished aesthetic is as natural as possible. Lafarge imprinting tools are laid out on the surface of the concrete and pressed in. Again, great care is taken over the edge detail. In this example, a fanned granite set aesthetic was specified. The pattern used here is fish scale granite sets, or French cobble. The release agent is spread in front of the imprinting tools to allow them to detach cleanly from the surface of the concrete, leaving the texture and appearance of material granite sets. When the paving has been fully printed, it is left to cure for 1 to 2 days. This allows the concrete to gain strength in preparation for the finishing stages of the process. The shuttering is removed and the whole area is cleared using Lafarge pre-seal wash and a pressure washer. This removes the majority of the release agent, leaving only enough to give the desired antiquing effect. Expansion joints are then cut into the paving to allow the concrete to expand and contort. The edges are also trimmed if needed. The joints are then sealed and filled using proprietary polysulfite mastics to prevent dirt accumulating in the joint line. When the surface has completely dried, Lafarge acrylic seal is applied to the surface of the paving. This blocks the pores of the paving, helping to prevent any possible staining, and also highlights and brings out the finished colours of the paving. Lafarge paving is available in many different patterns, such as canyon stone, Belgian block, riverside slate, French cobble, ashlar slate, European granite fan, York stone, basket weave. We also have a range of colours to choose from. Lafarge, the art of creative paving.
Fed up with your driveway or patio moving, sinking and needing constant maintenance? There is a simple solution. Lafarge Bomanite. Lafarge Bomanite can transform your home in days. Driveways and patios laid in Bomanite provide long-lasting colour, durability and texture with little to no maintenance. Bomanite is oil and stain resistant. It will stay looking good for years to come. Enhance the beauty and value of your home now by calling for your free colour brochure or our free no-obligation design survey. Lafarge Bomanite. Pave the way.